Hi guys, hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Bhuvneshwari. If you're watching my channel or if you're a new member of my channel, so hello, it's me. I'm a beauty blogger and I also post regarding skincare and beauty. Also, I'm a bridal makeup artist, so if you're looking for a bridal or party makeup artist, so DM me on my Instagram. You can also check out my work on my Instagram page. I will be linking my handle down in the description below. Without making the video very long, now I'm wrapping it up and let's move into the video. But before moving into the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I will be posting a new video. With that, let's continue with the video. Also, please hang with me till the end of the video, and if you enjoyed watching the video, then please put a comment and also like the video, and you can also share with your friends and family. That will mean a lot to me. So today's video will be all about a very practical and easy makeup look. So this makeup look can be worn for your YouTube videos, for going out every day, for office, college and everything. Also, you can switch and alter the makeup products here and there if you wish to. You don't have to particularly use the same product which I have done. You can use your own products. So let's get into the video. So first things first, I have cleaned my face very nicely. And now I will be putting a very good layer of toner into the face, because after washing our face, our pores tends to open up and we don't want to put our makeup on open pores, because then it will look even very larger. So I will be using, and the toner that I will be using is this. This is the Himalayan toner. So some people like to use toners with cotton pads or maybe loose cotton, but I like to apply it with my fingers. So pouring some on my palm, and then so I have poured some toner on my palm, and then I will just press it. Now that the toner has absorbed into my skin, I will be moving into applying some moisturizer into my face. Maybe moisturizer is very important. It makes our skin very glossy, very shiny, very hydrated. So today I will be using this, the Via Naturals moisturizer, and this is a moisturizer that I'm using these days, and I really enjoy using this moisturizer. You all just need to give it a try. Also, as I said, you can switch on the products. If you don't have the similar products, you can use the ones which you have with you. So this moisturizer what has is fragrance, which I don't like at all. So if you are someone allergic or maybe sensitive to fragrance, I won't recommend this to you. See, the moisturizer just gives a kind of glow and shine from within. You can already see my skin looks so hydrated and plumped up. Now we are done with our skincare and preparing our skin for the makeup. And as I have said, this makeup will be very practical and very everyday kind of look. So I will not be incorporating a lot of products and a lot of process as well. So there will be very less products and very less minimal process. So if you are a beginner, this might be very useful and helpful for you as well. I will be using this, the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation, because I'm an oily skin person. So I'm using this matte foundation. If you're someone with dry skin type and you have this foundation, you can just apply it with extra moisturizer, or maybe you can just go for the dewy skin one. So just taking some foundation in my hand, just this much of very little foundation. And for applying the foundation, I will be using this, my PAC Cosmetics Beauty Blender. I will be dotting the foundation wherever I need. With Beauty Blender, the thing is that we don't go on and apply a lot of products, because any excess product that is applied, the Beauty Blender will soak it out. one layer of the foundation, and you can see this is the coverage. As I said, the coverage is very sheen, very light, so you can also see my blemishes even now, because this is a very everyday kind of look. You don't want to just put a full coverage foundation to your office or maybe your college. So my imperfections are still being seen, but not much. My skin is looking very plain and good to go. So I will be just applying some more foundation here, because I have a lot of blemishes and lot of dark spots here. Also, while you're applying your foundation, don't forget to go around the nose corners, because some people just forget to apply it here and there are dark spots, or maybe it looks very odd and very different. So you all might have noticed that I have skipped the primer part and I have just directly went and applied foundation. But if you're someone who likes to apply and who likes to add the primer into your makeup routine, go ahead and apply it and add it into your routine. Unnecessarily, I don't want to add lot of process for my daily makeup routine. Some foundation here as well. I don't like to apply concealer here because concealers are quite thick and I don't want to just apply a thick base. For my eyes, I don't have very intense dark circles. Still, I would like to conceal the somewhat dark circles that I have and also highlight the inner corner of my eyes to make them pop out. Also for concealer, I'm using this, the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Just applying it on my inner corner and little bit on my eyelids as well. So as you can notice the change already, I don't have to speak about that. The concealer is very nicely blended onto my skin and looks so good. So moving into the eyebrows, defining the eyebrows and carving them perfectly will give a very very good change and dimension to your face. I bet you that. For eyebrows, I will be using this, the Wet n Wild eyebrow kit. You can see the difference clearly, how good this brow looks and how uplifted my face looks suddenly with these eyebrows. So now I will be back after doing this eyebrow quickly. This is how it looks like. Okay, then I will be moving into my eyes and I will be doing something with my eyes today. So for that I will be using this Nykaa palette. I will be using this and this shade. I will be using 3 shades to create this look. I will be taking a very fluffy brush to apply the brown shade, the lighter brown shade. This is it. So just taking it on this brush and dusting it. You don't have to worry about the pigment because the pigmentation is very light and very subtle. Just applying the shade onto my crease entirely like this and then blending it, because we don't want any harsh line. Let me just zoom it for you all. Doing the same with this eye. If you are going to college and you don't want to apply any eyeshadow, then you can just step out of your house without eyeshadow. But if you want to play some eye game, then this can be helpful for you. and I will be taking this pink color, dusting off the excess. Don't forget to do that. And then applying it to the outer corner of my eyelid. As I said, the pigmentation is not very strong, so you can just go. Very light baby pink, soft pink color, and I will be using my finger to apply this on my eyelid. The only color that I love in this palette is this one. It's so soft and it's just kind of, I have took some pink color and I will be just blending all the colors so that none of the color looks very harsh. So this is how I will love to wear my eye makeup on a regular basis. Okay, so I will be taking the brown shade again and I will be applying this shade to my lower lashes this time. And then I will be ending this eye makeup look with some mascara. Mascara today I will be using this K Beauty by Katrina. So my eye makeup is all set, but my face makeup is incomplete, so I'm gonna quickly complete it now. So for blush today I will be using this Wet n Wild Hello Halo blush lighter, and I love how subtle blush and the highlighter is so very beautiful. I'm taking a fluffy brush to apply the blush, and this blush, as I said, is very subtle, so I just like to go overboard with this. Again, if you don't want to, you can just go very light hand, or you may just change the blush shade. There is no right or wrong way, there is no definite product, there is no definite process of how to use makeup. You just use it on your way, the way you feel right, the way you feel comfortable, the way you feel that it suits you, and no one has to say that you are wrong. Now I will be applying highlighter. I will be using the same palette and I'm using this fluffy eyeshadow brush. Girls, let me quickly give you a disclaimer. If you are using this makeup routine for college or maybe office, don't put highlighter, because जितना भी highlighter लगाओ वो दिख जाता है. And then you can just minimalize the blush, but then blush fades after a while, so you can go with blush, but highlighter वो दिखेगा ही दिखेगा. Let me just quickly say you that. For lipstick, I am using this Lakme 925 lipstick, and it's a very vibrant bright pink shade, as you can see. So I will first apply this shade, then I will top it with the nude shade maybe, to just dull the color, because we don't want such a vibrant color, of course, for daily, but then again you can switch your shade as you like it. So this is how the lip shade looks. I don't think I will top it up with any nude shade because it's so beautiful. Why would I do that? So I will be leaving it here, but you can obviously choose your shade as I've said before. But I will be definitely coating this lip shade with some lip gloss, and for that I will be using this Wet n Wild Mega Lip Gloss. Wow, what a beautiful combination. So guys, that's it for my today's video. If you like the video and if you like this makeup routine, don't forget to like, comment and share. It will mean a lot to me and it will help me in my growth. So I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.